Welcome to my cloud. I'm here today to share something, not with anyone in particular, mostly with the future. I want to share what it was like to be a thinking, feeling human being during this very strange moment in history. I have so many questions for the experts in artificial intelligence. I've written to some. They nearly never reply. And when their assistants do, it's usually something like, "So-and-so is far too busy to respond to a nobody like you." And I don't mind being a nobody. Truly, I don't. But I don't want these questions just sitting in my brain anymore. So what I've done is I've turned the experts into Easter eggs. And in my imagination, they're huge, like this. From now on, instead of writing private letters, I'll be posting them here, in the cloud. So there is a record that someone asked them. These videos aren't going to be entertainment. They're not education. They're just questions. Tomorrow I'll post the first letter. I'll be covering everything from coercive AI design to neuromorphic computing. That's computers modeled on the human brain. And if anyone finds my Easter egg collection offensive, all I can say is, wait until you see my geopolitical Christmas balls.